4 magical spices to significantly lower your creatinine level naturally. How would you feel if I told you that certain spices in your kitchen can better help reduce your creatinine level naturally? I know you would feel exalted that natural things have that much potential to bring down creatinine and gradually raise the GFR naturally. But it's very much true because these spices have some chemical compounds that naturally improve the kidney functions and help remove the accumulated toxins from the blood. But remember, be it medicine, herb, or spice, you should consume them in moderation as excess can harm you too. But no worries, I will suggest you how much you can consume or you can decide how much suits you best. Hello and a very warm good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Amisha. I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel where you can get acquainted with a large knowledge in health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, exercise, yoga and disease treatment with natural and holistic treatment. Today, in my video, I will share the 4 spices that will do magic to your kidney health and significantly reduce the creatinine. So, let's begin. If you are new to my channel, please share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel and press the bell icon below to stay updated of our latest health videos. Okay, so let's get started with our first spice. It is cinnamon. Do you know that this aromatic spice can benefit you in your kidney disease and help reduce the creatinine naturally? Yes, cinnamon can do this. It regulates blood sugar levels, which is important for kidney health, as raised blood glucose or diabetes is linked to deterioration of kidney health. This condition is called diabetic nephropathy. Cinnamon can potentially improve insulin sensitivity, which indirectly supports better kidney functions. But how and how much cinnamon you can intake? Let's know. You can take 0.1 mg per kg of cinnamon according to your body weight. You can just sprinkle it on your salad or fruits. The next is a warming condiment, ginger. It's hot, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-fibrotic and has excellent nephroprotective properties. Ginger has certain phenolic compounds like gingerol that lowers the inflammation and oxidative stress from the kidney cells. Some studies have shown that ginger can support kidney function and may even help reduce serum creatinine levels over time. Now, let's know how you can add ginger to your diet. You can add 3 to 4 slices of ginger into water and boil them. Mix it with lemon and honey and drink. It gives you an energy boost and helps your kidneys to function better. The third is your golden spice, turmeric. Contains termeron, a volatile compound with anti-cancer immunomodulatory and antimicrobial properties, and curcumin, a powerful polyphenol responsible for its yellow color. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant with strong anti-inflammatory effects, making turmeric beneficial for overall health. Some studies have shown that consuming curcumin supplement increases the beneficial gut microbial flora that inhibits certain toxic activity. This can be beneficial for managing chronic kidney disease. Curcumin stimulates the release of certain proteolytic enzymes that break down proteins which help reduce the level of uremic toxins like indoxyl sulfate, precressyl sulfate, and 3-indole-acetic acid. All of these led to the progression of chronic kidney disease. But remember, consuming turmeric in moderation. Avoid this if you have high blood pressure or are taking blood thinning medicines. Now, let's know how you can take it. Let's prepare a turmeric drink. Take a half teaspoon of turmeric and mix it in warm water. Add lemon and black pepper for better absorption and taste and enjoy. Well, the last is coriander seeds. No doubt, coriander is good for better kidney health. It has diuretic properties, meaning it reduces the urinary complaints like urinary tract infection. It is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-diabetic, anxiolytic, and antioxidant. Being a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, it reduces the oxidative stress and lessens the severity of kidney disease. Well, It is also rich in vitamin C, niacin, calcium, magnesium, and iron, which may help improve kidney functions. Now, let's know the method to consume it. Put half teaspoon of coriander seeds into 1 glass of water and boil it. Strain the water and add honey to taste and enjoy. Alright, I have discussed the 4 magical spices that add taste and value to your health. But always remember, these spices are highly potent, so take them in moderation whether you are a kidney patient or not. However, they have only limited effects on your kidneys. A complete relief can only be obtained with natural and holistic treatment. Homeopathy is a great treatment choice for kidney disease as it is safe, effective, and side effect free. Unlike modern medicines, which results in symptomatic relief, homeopathy acts on overall constitution and enhances energy levels and bring results in less time. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of kidney patients worldwide and offered them a medicine-free and dialysis-free lifestyle. The kidney issue is not a big issue now. Just embrace holistic medicine and notice a major improvement in your kidney disease. We offer what you trust and effective and side effect free treatment. If you want to know more about homeopathic kidney treatment, you can call us on our number and talk to us today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.